Hello everyone. In this video, we'll convert a quadratic equation from vertex form to standard form. Now as you can see, this equation is given to us in vertex form because it resembles the general equation of a vertex form. The general equation of the vertex form is written as a parentheses x minus h whole square plus k. And we have to convert this to standard form. Now the standard form is written as y equals ax square plus bx plus c. So the first step in converting this vertex form to standard form is to expand the square on this parentheses, and we do that by writing the expression in the parentheses twice. So we write it as -2 parentheses x plus 3 times another x plus 3, and then close the parentheses and then -11 at the end. We have to distribute the terms in the parentheses, so we have to use FOIL. So we multiply x by the x, then by 3, and then we multiply the 3 in the first parentheses with x in the second parentheses, and then with the 3 in the other parentheses. So we get y equals, so we keep -2 as it is, and then we start the parentheses. So x times x is x squared, and then x times 3 is 3x, and then 3 times x is 3x, and then 3 times 3 is 9. And now we close the parentheses and keep the -11 at the end. Now we have to identify and combine like terms in the parentheses. So in the parentheses, 3x and 3x are like terms. So we can combine them into a single x term. So we can do that by adding their coefficients. So their coefficients are 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So we write 6x plus 9. And now we close the parentheses and write that -11 outside it. Now we have to distribute this -2 into the parentheses. So we have to multiply each term in the parentheses by this -2. So we get y equals, so -2 x squared. So we multiply -2 by x squared first. Then we do -2 times 6x. So basically we have to do -2 times 6, which is equal to -12. And we keep the x. Next we have to do -2 times 9, which is equal to -18. So now we don't need to write the parentheses because there is nothing to separate from these terms, and we just write the -11 at the end. Now we have to see if there are any other like terms in this expression. So -18 and -11 are like terms. So we can combine them. So we get y equals -2x squared. So that stays the same. And -12x also stays the same. And now we just have to do -18 minus 11, which is equal to -29. So this is the equation in standard form. So this should be the final answer for this problem. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.